Hi, my name is Connie and I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Well, I have done a lot of research in stem cell, and I went to the seminar with Dr. Mike, the Myrtle Beach Spine Center, and I found it to be very informative. He was professional, and I got a lot out of his seminars, and I opted to go and get my knees for the stem cell injections on both of my knees, which I had done in November, and I can't tell you enough how wonderful my knees feel. I have very, very little pain, and my lifestyle has changed tremendously, and I'm almost pain-free. I can't say enough of about the Dr. Mike and Dr. Tori, and his staff treat you tremendously. They're polite. They do anything they can to make you feel comfortable. And any questions you have, they're there to answer them. And I can't say enough about his staff. They are great. Anybody that needs any kind of knee operations or any type of surgery, with all the research I've done, I would first try doing stem cell. It really does work, and I would say please try stem cell injections first before going to the surgery and all the recuperation time you have after that. I tried it, and I'm so happy that I've done it, and I feel great.